This conference will now be recorded.
What is software testing?
Software testing is to testing a program in a set of instructions.
Sorry? Can you please come again?
It is used to test a program or a device with a particular instructions like that.
No. Let me tell you what is software testing. Software testing is nothing but it's a process of identifying the correctness of software, okay? By considering its all attributes like reliability, scalability, portability, reusability, usability. Okay?
Oh.
Software will have its attributes, you know, right? So considering its attributes, we'll be identifying the correctness of software and evaluating the execution of software components to find the software bugs or errors or defects. That is what is software testing. Any
Okay.
question on this? Are you clear with what is software testing?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if somebody asks you what is software testing, what will you tell now?
It's a process of identifying the correctness, and it is used to check the attributes.
It is used to check the correctness, okay?
Correctness of attributes.
Correctness by
Correctness.
considering its attributes, okay? If are you not
Come again.
comfortable, are you not comfortable with English?
Okay, ma'am.
So it's the process of identifying the correctness. What do you mean by correctness? So you are going to go for a shop, okay? You want to buy some 1 kg of some product, okay? Let it be potatoes, okay? You want to buy 1 kg potatoes, okay?
Okay.
What will the shopkeeper do? He'll weigh the potatoes for 1 kg, right?
Yes.
So what you are checking there, is it measuring 1000 mg or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
1 kg you are going to check it. Is it 500 grams or is it 1000 grams? You are going to check, right? If it is 1000 grams only, it is 1 kg, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is 990, is it 1000?
No, it's not
So that
1000.
is what, it's not 1000. You are verifying that it is correct value, it is 1000
Correctness.
grams.
Okay.
That is what is correctness, okay?
Okay.
So what is these attributes and why we are considering these attributes, we'll be discussing in the later sessions. You'll be understanding when I take the later sessions, okay?
Okay.
As far as now, you remember, like, software testing is nothing but it's a process of identifying the correctness. When you are verifying that it is correct or not, only you'll be finding some bugs or defects, right?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Clear, ma'am.
Any questions? So basically what you will be doing in manual testing, you'll be given a requirement and you are going to verify the system with requirement, yes or no? You'll be checking whether it is as per the requirement or not, yes or no?
Yes.
That is what is software testing, okay?
Okay.
No questions, right? Do
No
you have any
questions,
questions on that?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, right? If you're not clear, you can tell me, I'll tell once again, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. I'm clear about software testing, ma'am.
Okay, why the software testing is necessary? What is the importance of it? Let's see. Okay, Program testing is the way towards recognizing the exactness and nature of the product item and administration under test. Okay, it was born. Why this software testing was born? It was born to validate whether the product fulfills the particular prerequisites needed and desires of the client. Okay,
Okay.
so client will have some prerequisites, yes or no? Whatever
Yes.
the client request, you'll have some client to the company, right? Whatever the client requests, the company will develop the product and give it to the client. So when it is developing the product, what will check? It will check whether the product is meeting the client expectations or not, whether it is meeting the client prerequisites or not, yes or no, whether it is meeting the client needs or not, yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that way, what should be the goal of tester? You should always think that you are the client and you have given to the company and you are testing it whether it is working
Mhm.
as per you or not. In that way, if you test, it is very easy. Testing is very simple. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So apparently, it was born to validate whether the product fulfills the particular prerequisites, needs, and desires of the client. Okay.
Okay.
By the day's end, try executing a system application with a particular true objective to call attention to bugs, blunders, or imperfections. Yes or no?
Uh, True objectives means what, ma'am?
What is the main reason of that product? Okay. What is
Okay.
the objective of the system? That means why it is developed. For example, there is an app called Swiggy. Let me tell you the example. What's the necessary of Swiggy?
Mm, for food, to order any food item.
Yeah, for ordering food item. Yes or no? What's the true objective of that? Ordering food from your
Ordering
favorite
food.
restaurant or something. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what's the true objective?
Okay.
The duty of testing is to call attention to the issues of bugs and give dev a piece of information to enable them to settle it right after the necessities. So whenever you test the product, okay, what you are going to do?
Uh, Checking any faults or there bugs like that. Is it working properly or not?
Yeah, if it is as per the requirement, then it is.
Mm,
If it is as per the requirement, then it is correct, right? If it is not
correct.
as per the requirement, then it is a bug.
Uh,
Yes or no? So
yes,
what you are
ma'am.
going to do whenever you find that?
We need to fix them.
Who need to fix them?
Developers, development department.
Yeah, developer has to fix. For that, what you need to do?
I need to raise a complaint
Yeah,
where
you
the
need to raise
bug
a
is
bug.
raised.
You need to raise an
Right.
incident. So what you are going to
Okay.
do? You need to fail your test case and raise an bug. And
Bug.
in that bug, what you are going to tell? What you are going to do in that bug with that bug? What information you will provide?
In that bug, I write the
That you'll write
versions
at,
expected.
at what at what point of time you
Mm,
have got and what you were testing and in
mm,
which model you have
Summary.
got and what is that. So
Mm,
that is what give dev a piece of information to enable them to settle it right after the necessary. So when you give information only, the developer will go there and fix it, right? If you
Yes.
just raise a bug, where he is going to
Mm,
fix?
Okay. Brief summary about the bug.
Yeah, you need to write a piece of information where you have found and how you have found. Okay,
Okay.
that is what is piece of information is. Any questions on this?
Once you tell me, ma'am, importance of software testing.
Sorry.
Uh, Once you briefly explain me, ma'am, once again.
Okay, you want me to explain what is the importance of software testing once again?
Software
Okay.
testing, once again.
Okay. See, why we need to do testing. It's the way towards recognizing the exactness of and nature of the product, how the product is, and is it as per the requirements or not, is it as per the client requirements or not, is what we are going to check. Okay.
Okay.
The main importance of software testing is just exactness. That means exactly, is it as per the requirement or not, or something is
Okay.
missing, or something is extra. And you also
Okay.
need to check whether it is meeting the client expectations, client desires, uh, client needs. See, client expectations, client needs. Let me give you a simple example. Okay, you have ordered a dress in a boutique. Okay,
Okay.
so you have selected the color, you have selected the design, you have given your measurements, everything. Okay,
Okay.
so if the boutique person changes the color, then uh, is it what you have given? You have given red and they have changed it to blue.
Mm.
No, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's a fault.
Yeah, fault, because it's not meeting the client
Yeah. Requirement.
expectations. Yeah,
Mm.
requirement. The client wanted red color,
Right.
they're giving blue,
Mm.
so it's not meeting their prerequisites. Yes or no?
Okay.
It's not
Yes,
meeting their
ma'am.
need. That is what is. So it is very important to understand client needs. You need to know the desires of the client, why he want that product. So for example, the product was developed for like Zomato or Swiggy. Okay, it
Okay.
was it is developed to order food, and when you have opened the product, you're not able to select a restaurant only. Then is it correct way or wrong?
No. Uh,
Hmm?
no. It's not a correct way.
So what is missing over there? It's completely failed, right?
Completely. Failed.
So the desire of the client completely failed over there. That is what is software testing is.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
So the duty of testing is to call attention to the issues of bugs and give dev a piece of information to enable them to settle it right after the necessities. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions, or
No,
got a
ma'am.
clear picture what is importance of software testing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No, no.
So can I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
So why should we test? See, developer will develop the system, right? He can only test, right? Why there is a separate team called testers?
Only one cannot do all the things, no, ma'am.
It's not like that. Any
Uh,
more idea?
so- no, ma'am.
So if you develop a system, if you are asked to see, for example, you have written your exam and you are asked to correct your own paper, will you give bye marks, or you'll find out the defaults in your paper?
They'll give marks.
You'll definitely give marks,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
You'll never go and check
Check the
it's
paper.
correct or not. You'll not check in detail, right?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the same way, developer will understand the system but will not test it gently. He is
Okay.
he will be always driven by deadlines only. He will think that I should develop and give it to testers. let them do what they want to do. Yes, that will be the mentality of the developers, right?
Okay.
So when he is asked to, if he is asked to test his own system, he will not find a default, right? Who will point
Hmm.
themselves, right? Nobody will.
Uh,
People will be.
Point themselves.
Nobody will have interest to point themselves, right? Everybody will try to point out the other people, but nobody will point out self, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the need of independent test. What will independent tester do? He will learn the system. He will try to break it. What do you mean by break it?
Mm. Break it means like small. Uh,
He will attempt to break it. What do you mean by he will attempt to break it? If you know it, tell me. If not, I'll tell.
I don't know, ma'am. You tell.
He will attempt to break it in the sense he will try to go into the depth of the product. Okay, he will try and try. He will go in depth and check, is it working, is it not working. That means literally he will go everywhere. He will just try to break it. In the sense, every module he's going to go depth and see what's there. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Each
everywhere,
and
every point, every pinpoint he's going, he will be going and checking. So he'll be trying every module he's going in depth, means he's trying to go into it, right? He's trying to break it. Yes or no? That is what
yes,
is
ma'am.
attempt to break it. He's
Okay.
always driven by quality. What do you mean by driven by quality? Driven by quality. What do you mean by driven by quality? Hmm?
I don't know, ma'am.
It is driven by quality in sense a tester will always have an intention to give the best quality product to the client. That means
Mm.
he will test that there are no bugs in system. Yes or no? That means he is
Mm.
trying to give a quality system to the
Wow.
client. That means he's always driven by quality. He'll only think about quality. Yes or no? If there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
missing and missing also, we'll think that it's an issue. We'll try to raise it as many bugs as possible. Yes or no? We will never
Yes, ma'am.
compromise on quality. Yes or no?
Yes,
Testers
ma'am.
will not compromise on quality. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Driven by quality means is without any issues, ma'am. Without
Yeah,
any
that is
issues
what
in the
driven by quality in the sense he
okay
will only think about the
the
quality.
quality. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
driven by quality in sense he will only think of quality, nothing else. So what you'll have in manual testing, how we are going to plan the test cases. So what is first, to analyze the project guidelines. Okay, then plan the test cases, then create the test cases, then execute the test cases, find out the defects or bugs, to fix bugs and perform retesting. That's the process of manual testing. Okay,
Okay.
so once you get the requirements, what you are going to do, you are going to analyze the project guidelines. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So analyze the project guidelines in sense, what means you are going to analyze the requirements, what is there, why this product is there, and what's the intention of the product. Like that, you are going to analyze the project guidelines. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
then you will, what the testers will do, they'll plan the test cases. So after planning the test cases, they are going to create the test cases. After creating, what they are going to do?
Execute the
Execute the
test
test
case.
case cases. When you execute the test cases, what happens? You'll find the defects or bugs. Then you'll perform retesting. Yes or no? That's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
process of that's the cycle of manual testing. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can I go to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll be covering is fundamentals of testing throughout the software life cycle, and what are the static techniques we have, what are the test design techniques, what is test management, and what are the tools support for testing. All these I'll be telling. Okay. Okay. What is SDLC? Software Development Life Cycle. What are the phases of SDLC? Everybody will have in their BTech, right? So tell me what is SDLC? What is
Yes,
SDLC? Srileka.
SDLC. I'm thinking, ma'am. Actually, I I was passed out in 2015, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
Okay, let's go into what is SDLC. Okay.
okay.
SDLC is Software Development Life Cycle. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the phases of SDLC are like? Ideation, requirements, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Okay. So what is ideation? So client will
Planning.
be having some ideas. Okay. So he'll be brainstorming all the ideas that solve a particular problem. Okay. So with he will be gathering some information. So that is ideation from the client. Then what happens? Requirements. What you'll have in requirements? Interacting with the stakeholders and users to collect and document project requirements. Okay. So he'll
Okay.
be collecting the from the stakeholders, and who will be using the product. Okay. For example,
Requirements means,
for example, LIC app. Okay. There
okay.
is a new app for LIC. So what is going to be there over there? Who will if they target all the LIC members? Okay, they are going to target them. So if there is a new app in LIC, what they are going to do? They'll be trying to gather information from already existing customers of LIC. Yes or no? That is what is interacting with the stakeholders and gathering the requirements. Yeah, you are asking something.
Requirements means uh, the client will give, ma'am,
Yeah,
requirements.
of course, requirements will be given by client only to the company.
Okay.
So he'll be gathering the requirements. Then he will come to the company and he'll be giving. Okay. So that's the
Okay.
basic process what happens. So once the requirements are given to the company, what company does? They will design, right? They will design the product. Then what they are going to do? Then they are going to develop the product.
Develop.
Yes or no?
After
Once designing and development are done, it will be moved to testing phase.
testing.
So in design phase, what will be done? Creating the architecture, how it looks, and what are the features, how should the GUI look like. All that design part will be done in design. Development, internally what program has to be written and how it has to function is will be done in development. Then comes our module. What is that? Testing.
Testing.
What you're going to do in testing, we'll see whether the product is as per the client requirements or not. So that is testing. Then comes deployment. What is deployment?
Transferring.
You are going to deploy that product in some particular environment. For example, client environment. So that
Okay.
is deployment. Maintenance. What is maintenance? Maintenance is nothing but Whenever there is an update to the product, you have to maintain it. That is what is maintenance. Any questions on this?
No, ma'am.
So what are the phases of SDLC? Can you tell me now?
Yes, ma'am. First phase is ideation, requirements, design. After that, design, development, testing, deployment, and last, maintenance.
Yeah, last is maintenance. What is the first one?
Ideation,
Then
requirements. After
yeah,
gathering requirements, we need to design.
yeah,
After designing, we need to develop according to the program language, and we need to set all, and then testing. After
yeah,
testing, deployment, and then maintenance.
yeah, correct. Any questions on any of the module over here?
No, ma'am.
No questions?
No questions, ma'am.
In the same way, SDLC, we have STLC also. Okay, what is STLC?
Software testing life
STLC is
cycle.
the software testing life cycle. Okay, so what are the phases of STLC? We have 6 phases. Okay, requirement analysis, test planning, test case development, test environment setup, test execution, test reporting. Okay, these are all the 6 phases in your STLC. We will be discussing regarding STLC in our later sessions. Okay,
Okay.
today's demo, just I want you to know what is STLC and what is SDLC and what you are going to learn in this course. Okay,
Okay.
STLC. SDLC is different, STLC is different. SDLC is
Development life cycle. Software
software
development.
development life cycle. STLC is software testing life cycle. It is only confined to testing.
Test.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Any questions on STLC?
No, ma'am.
These are all the 6 phases of STLC. Okay,
Okay.
can you tell me what are the 6 phases of STLC now?
Test, ana-
Hmm.
analysis.
Test
Test
analysis? No, no. It's requirement analysis.
requirement.
First, you are going to analyze the requirement. Okay,
Okay.
then you are going
Requirement.
to plan your test. Okay,
Okay.
that is test planning. Then what you are going to do, you are going to develop the
Test.
test cases. Developing the test cases are nothing but writing the test cases. Okay,
Okay.
then what you are going to do, you need to test in certain environment. You need to set up that environment, yes or no? Then
Yes,
test
ma'am.
environment setup, then
Execution.
test execution.
Test execution.
What do you do in execution?
We need to check is there any issues or bugs.
You'll check the product to the requirements, yes or no? You'll
Yes,
check the product against your requirements and see if everything is matching or not, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is matching with your requirements, then you are going to pass the test case. If it's not matching, then you are going to fail the test case, raise a bug, and route it to the developer. That is what is your test execution. What is test reporting? How many test cases you have done, how many are passed, how many are failed, how many are cautioned, how many incidents are being raised. So you need to send out a report, right, to your leads. That is what is test reporting. Understood what is STLC? Any
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
over here?
No, ma'am.
Can I go move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
We have 7 testing principles. Okay, so what are the 7 testing principles you have for testing? Testing shows presence of defect, exhaustive testing impossible, early testing, defect clustering, pesticide paradox, testing is context dependent, absence of errors fallacious. Okay, we will see what is testing showing presence of defects, what is exhaustive testing, what is early testing, what is defect clustering, everything. But principle by principle we'll be seeing in the later phases. Okay, in the coming sessions
Okay.
in the next 2 3 days I'll be telling what is this, what are the 7 testing principles. Did you hear any time regarding these 7 testing principles, or is this is the first time you are hearing?
This is the first time, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be telling. Okay, principle by principle, you just remember that there are 7 testing principles and these are the 7. Okay,
Okay.
if you're not remembering the 7 by name also, no problem. When I tell principle by principle, you will definitely remember. Okay,
Okay.
so what is the fundamental test process? Test planning and control, test analyzing and design, test implementation and execution, evaluating exit criteria and reporting, test closure activities. Okay, this is the fundamental test process. You have different test levels. Okay, what are the different test levels? We have 4 levels of testing.
Okay.
So what are those 4? Component testing or unit testing is other name for that. Okay,
Okay.
component testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. We'll be seeing these levels of testing in the later phases. Okay, in the later session I'll be telling you why this component testing, what is this component testing, and why you need to do component testing, who will do component testing, what is integration testing and who will do it, what is system testing, who will do it, what is acceptance testing and who will do it. Just remember there are 4 levels of testing. Okay, what are the 4 levels? If somebody asks, what you are going to tell? Component testing or unit
Component test,
testing,
integration
integration,
test, system
system
test,
testing,
accept.
acceptance. Test types, what do you have? Functional testing, non-functional testing, structural testing, retesting and regression testing. Okay, test techniques, what do you have? Static techniques and dynamic testing techniques you'll be having. What do you mean by static and what do you mean by dynamic? Basically, what's the English meaning of static? What do you mean by static?
Uh, sta- Static technique means
Don't
it,
just uh, forget about the technique. What is static?
okay. Uh,
Yeah, what is static?
um, I'm not getting, ma'am. You tell me.
What is dynamic?
Dynamic is a single thing.
No. Static in sense it is fixed. It will not
Okay.
change. Dynamic means it will change from time to time. It is not fixed. Okay.
Okay.
Any question? Static means fixed value.
Okay.
For
Fixed.
example, static means fixed. Dynamic
Fixed.
means it will change from time to time.
Mhm.
Any questions on any of the topic?
No, ma'am.
What's the need of testing? Why you need to test your system?
For the correctness,
Hmm. Correctness of what? You can tell
correctness
your
of
own words. There is no need to tell what I have told. Testing the product for the correctness. That's it.
testing the product.
Yes or no? You can tell in one word if you want to tell. That's it.
Okay.
It's a process of identifying the correctness. Yes or no? You are going to
Yes, ma'am.
check whether it is as per the requirements or not. You are going to identify it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions on any of the topic, any of the slide?
No, ma'am. Are you comfortable in Telugu, ma'am?
You want me to tell in Telugu? Yeah,
Uh,
I know Telugu.
అదేం లేదు మ్యామ్. జస్ట్ ఫ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐ నీడ్ టు ఆస్క్.
Yeah, you can.
మ్యామ్ అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ నాది ఇంజనీరింగ్ 15లో అయిపోయింది. లాస్ట్ కొంచెం గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది. సో అందుకని నాకు ఏం గుర్తులేవు. ఐఎమ్ న్యూ టు
That's
దిస్
okay.
కంప్లీట్లీ. సో మీరు అడగగానే నాకు ఏమీ గుర్తు
Okay.
రావట్లేదు. వన్స్ మీరు చెప్తే ఐ కెన్
Okay.
రికలెక్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
That's okay. No problem.
అండ్ దెన్
Yeah.
క్లాస్
I
రోజు
want
9కే
తెలుసు.
ఉంటుందమ్మా.
9కే ఉంటది. ఎందుకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లమా?
అంటే ఎర్లీగా లైక్ 8కి అలా పెడతారా మ్యామ్? 8
అంటే
o'clockకి అలా.
అందరికి సెట్ కావాలి కదా, నాకు కూడా సెట్ కావాలి, అందుకే ఈ టైం.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. ఎంత టైం చెప్తారు మ్యామ్? 1 hour?
ఎవ్రీడే 1 hour. ఈరోజు డెమో
కోర్స్
కాబట్టి
కంప్లీట్.
తక్కువ.
ఓకే. కోర్స్ అవ్వడానికి ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది మ్యామ్ కంప్లీట్ గా?
అంటే ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ హౌ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ అనే దానిపైన డిపెండ్ అయి
ఓకే
ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
If you are understanding very fast subject, then I'll finish it fast.
ఓకే
If you are not able to follow, then I need to slow down my speed. So that's the thing. Okay.
ఓకే
If you're
మ్యామ్.
not having any questions, then yeah.
This class I understand, ma'am. I was clear. And will you send me the recordings, ma'am?
Yeah, you can follow up with Akshara.
Okay, ma'am.
She will be sending. Yeah. Okay, then
Okay.
thank you.
Okay.